Chemical coordination part 9. Gonads, that is testes and ovaries. These are the sex organs, but these also act as endocrine glands because they secrete different types of hormones. Number 1, ovaries. These are female sex organs. They develop female gametes, but with development of gametes, they also secrete number of hormones. These are as follows. Number 1, estrogen. This hormone is secreted by developing follicles, and these are responsible for development of secondary sexual characters. Second, progesterone. It is secreted by corpus luteum of ovary after ovulation, and it is essential for thickening of endometrium of uterus, for implantation of fertilized ovum on endometrium. Number 3, relaxin. It is secreted by corpus luteum at the end of gestation period, that is at the end of pregnancy, and it relaxes the cervix and ligaments of pelvic girdle for easy birth of young one. Number next, inhibin. It is secreted by corpus luteum and which inhibits the production of FSH and GnRH, thus prevents the development of ovum or female gamete during pregnancy. The diagram shows LS of ovary, in which there are the germ cells in different developing stages, that is germ cell, then second primary follicle, then Graafian follicle. If germ cell develops into a Graafian follicle, it contains female gamete or ovum. If ovum is released from the Graafian follicle, then empty Graafian follicle is called as corpus luteum. This Graafian follicle is responsible to secrete the hormone estrogen, and which is responsible for development of secondary sexual character. If ovum is released from the Graafian follicle, then it is converted into corpus luteum. This corpus luteum secretes the hormone progesterone, and this hormone progesterone is responsible for thickening of the wall of uterus. This wall is called as endometrium, and this thickening is essential for the implantation of fertilized ovum on the wall of uterus. The implantation or attachment of the fertilized ovum on the wall of uterus, that is on endometrium, is called as implantation, because this implantation is necessary for the development of this fertilized ovum into a complete body. This diagram is of female reproductive system, which shows ovary, oviduct, uterus and cervix. The hormone relaxin is responsible for relaxation of the cervix and the pelvic ligaments present around the cervix at the time of the birth of a young one. Next gonad is testis. It is a male sex organ. This sex organ in TS shows number of spherical structures. These structures are called as seminiferous tubules, and there are number of small group of small cells in between seminiferous tubules. These are called as Leydig cells or Sertoli cells. Seminiferous tubules are responsible to develop the male gametes or sperms, and Leydig cells secrete the hormone called as testosterone. So it is called as male sex hormone. Testosterone is secreted by interstitial cells or Leydig cells by influence of luteinizing hormone by pituitary gland, and this hormone is responsible for appearance of secondary sexual characters such as facial hairs, deepening of voice, broadening of shoulders, and also helps in maintenance of testis. टेस्टिस मेल सेक्स ऑर्गन है. इसके टीएस में दो स्ट्रक्चर दिखाई देते हैं. स्फेरिकल स्ट्रक्चर जो लार्ज होते हैं ये कहलाते हैं सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स. इनके बीच कुछ छोटे सेल्स होते हैं, वो होते हैं इंटरस्टिशियल सेल्स या लेडिज सेल्स. सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स स्पर्म डेवलप करते हैं, यानी मेल गैमेट डेवलप करते हैं, और लेडिज सेल्स सिक्रीट करते हैं मेल सेक्स हार्मोन टेस्टोस्टेरोन. इसकी वजह से मेल्स के अंदर सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर्स डेवलप होते हैं, जैसे फेस के ऊपर हेयर्स डेवलप होते हैं, आवाज़ मस्क्यूलिन होती है यानी मोटी आवाज़ होती है, शोल्डर्स ब्रॉड हो जाते हैं, और ये हार्मोन टेस्टिस को मेंटेन करने के लिए भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है.